In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Audience Q&A feature in Google Slides, a powerful tool that enhances interactivity and engagement during your presentations. Imagine your audience actively participating and asking questions, creating a more dynamic and engaging atmosphere. Let's dive into how you can set this up and make the most of it during your slideshows. To begin, you want to ensure you've opened your Google Slides presentation. Once your presentation is ready and open, navigate through to the top of the screen where you'll find the Present button, typically located in the upper right corner. Clicking on this button will take you into the presentation mode. This mode is essential for enabling the Audience Q&A feature, as it opens up all the interactive options available while you present. Now that you're in presentation mode, direct your attention to the lower left-hand side of the screen. You should notice a menu icon that appears as 3 dots or lines, a common symbol for more options. Click on this and you will see a drop-down menu. From this list, select Audience Tools, which is the gateway to beginning the interactive Q&A experience with your viewers. Once selected, a pane will open to the right side of your window. Within this pane, you'll find an option to start a new session. Choose to enable this, and your audience will receive a link they can use to post questions. This link is typically a short URL that viewers can easily enter on their own devices. Now your audience can submit questions that appear in real time on your screen. As the questions start to come in, you will have the ability to view them and, most importantly, choose which ones to feature and address during your presentation. You can engage your audience further by allowing them to vote on the questions that are submitted, effectively giving the floor to the most popular viewer queries. This audience-driven approach not only ensures that you address pertinent issues, but also maintains a high level of interest and participation. Remember, direct interaction with your audience is a fantastic method to keep your presentations lively and impactful. By answering questions from your audience, you make them feel valued and involved, which can significantly enhance the overall experience for both you and your viewers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to utilizing the Audience Q&A feature in Google Slides. By incorporating this tool, you're not just presenting information, but creating a collaborative environment where your audience feels their input matters. Give this a try during your next presentation for a more interactive and effective communication experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more features to make your Google Slides presentations stand out.